Hi everyone. Excuse me. Can you help me read some ending brand words? Okay. Careful production of final consonant is necessary to convey your message correctly and to sound like a native English speaker. For example, like, line, like, and live. Okay. Mm, Ending consonant pop, and sop, b, rap, and robe, hat, and cat, meow, 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 d, d. Friend, and road, coach, march, j. Age, and page, cut, look, and cook, g, dog, and bag. Okay. Laugh, and rough, and rough. Okay. Live, and rove. Okay. Tooth, and width. Okay. Smooth, and breathe. Okay. For example, miss, and cups. For example, was, and his. Okay. Shh. For example, wash, and finish. Okay. For example, beige, and massage. Okay. Mm. Room, and some. Mm. Nine, and line. Okay. Mm. Sing, and ring. La, will, and call. Bro, car, and door. Okay. The second is saying the foreign word with ed endings. Rule number 1: if a word ends in unvoiced consonant, add an unvoiced t. For example, jumped, looked, walked. Okay. Rule number 2: if a word ending a voiced consonant, add a voiced d. wrapped, wrapped, grinned, smiled, smiled. Okay, and moved. Okay. Rule number 3. If a word ending in a T or D, add id. Okay. For example, voted, hit, started, added. Okay. Thank you for your listening. Bye bye.